Adam's World. So today I'm going to show you how to get Inshot premium version for free. So what you're going to do is open Google and search Inshot Premium APK free download, and you're going to search it. Okay, you're going to get this APK done website. You're going to click there, you're going to scroll, and you're going to click download APK. Okay, now what it's going to do, you're going to show up here. It's going to say downloading in 3, 2, 1. Okay, now it's going to show the links. Okay, we're going to click on the mod, which is latest. Both are latest, so I'm just going to click on the top one. It's a newer version, so you're going to click here. Now listen carefully, guys. It says this type of file can harm your device. Do you still want to keep it? You will click OK. Okay, I have a lot of experience in software, so just trust me on this. It's just a strange file type because Play Store and other apps do not use APK, but websites do. APK is a free version and a modified version. It's not dangerous. It has no virus. I have experience. Just trust me on this. Okay, so you're gonna click install. Okay, I clicked install. Now it's installing. This might take a little while because it's a little big app, not that big, but and another tip, I would prefer using KineMaster or Viva Video because Viva Video is more easy and has a lot of effects, but KineMaster it's really good. It's very detailed. I believe it is better than Inshot, I would say, maybe. So you could do it. You can get KineMaster the same way. Every app, any app that costs money, even Minecraft or any game, you just search APK version of the app on Google and just try looking for a good website. I would prefer using APK Mirror or APK Done. Authenticated apps so that there's no virus. Some of them might have virus, so yeah, if they ask for credit card or something, that means they're spamming or they're asking for cash for the app, but this is fine. So let's just wait for this to install. And this is raw footage, guys. This is a really small tutorial, so I'm not gonna edit this. So yeah, it's gonna take a small while. Okay, we're gonna click open and open. It's gonna open the app now. You know what, I'm just gonna open it manually. Okay, you see it shows up here, Inshot. I'm gonna click here. Just gonna wait for this. I don't know what this says. Just click on this. I don't care. It's just a mod, okay? So let's just click video, allow. Let's see this one. I guess weird videos on my phone. So I already know how to edit, so you can just skip that. Let's just add text. Subscribe to Adam's World. Let's just write that as an example and make it smaller. Oh my god, I'm editing a TikTok. That's so dumb. Okay, I'm gonna click check. Now you have the whole video. Now you can just add like text or whatever. You can just add anything, basically. Music. I know how this works. So just gonna click save. Okay, and I'm just gonna prove it to you guys that there's gonna be no watermark when you save it. So let's click 1080p because 1080p is the best out of 720 and the rest. So it's converting video. Hurry up. It's a really small video, that's why it's happening so fast, but otherwise you'll have to wait a long time. So thankfully I chose a small video. So hurry up. Okay, done. It says go to gallery. Oh, not Google Assistant. Okay, gallery, and okay, this is the video. If I play it, there we go. We have no watermark. Now if I see another video that I edited without the APK mod, it has the Inshot written at the bottom corner. You see? Oh my god, why am I editing TikToks? But now if you see here, it says subscribe to Adam's World, but it doesn't have the Inshot thing. So congratulations guys, you officially got Inshot editor for free. Thanks for watching. Bye.